Have I ever told you the story of someone called Nellie? Well, she was one of those people who was always trying to test herself, like you. And one day, she got this idea. She was going to travel all the way around the world, quicker than anyone had ever done before. So she set off. Soon, she was sailing the 7 seas, seeing sights that most could only dream of. Now, she was tested in 1,000 different ways, but not for one moment did she look back. And by the time she reached home, she knew it had all been worth it. She proved what she was capable of. You see, when you believe in yourself, the world will believe in you too. Sometimes you just got to step outside your comfort zone.